We have developed a new method of giving radiotherapy to women with early breast cancer, which can be completed during their operation itself, so they don't have to come back every day for 3 to 6 weeks for radiation to the hospital. This makes a huge difference to women. They can go back to their life very quickly after the operation for cancer. Many women have said they don't feel they have had cancer. We wanted to test whether target IORT was as effective as whole breast radiotherapy. So we compared them in a clinical trial. The trial started 20 years ago, so we now know how the treatments compare in the long term. The Target A randomized clinical trial found that target IORT, that is targeted intraoperative radiotherapy, given during lumpectomy is as effective as the postoperative course of whole breast radiotherapy in every breast cancer outcome: local recurrence-free survival, mastectomy-free survival, breast cancer mortality. The results are very comparable between target IORT and whole breast radiotherapy. And target IORT significantly and clinically substantially reduced deaths from other causes such as cardiovascular causes, lung problems, and other cancers. Target IORT has now been used in over 260 centers in 38 countries all over the world, and more than 45,000 patients have been treated with target IORT for breast cancer. What are the new insights of the Target A trial? Number one, who can have target IORT? And based on these data, we can recommend an evidence-based guideline that target IORT is suitable for all patients with any tumor subtype, as long as they would have been eligible for the Target A trial. That is, anybody who is 45 years and older with invasive ductal carcinoma as a single lesion up to 3.5 centimeters in size, irrespective of any other tumor subtype. The overall survival in those patients who had grade 1 and grade 2 cancers, irrespective of other tumor subtypes, was better, improved survival with target IORT compared with EBRT, and there was no detriment in overall survival in those with grade 3 cancers. And in this paper, we provide an interactive web-based decision aid, a tool for clinicians to help them decide who should get external beam radiotherapy based on any individual patient tumor characteristics. We found that when patients get a local recurrence after target IORT, their outcome remains excellent, unlike that in patients who have local recurrence after whole breast radiotherapy. And finally, what is the reason for this difference in non-breast cancer mortality? It looks like there are two reasons for it. One is the avoidance of scattered irradiation to the nearby vital organs, and second, an abscopal effect of giving target IORT during surgery, which has a beneficial protective effect against deaths from cardiovascular causes, lung problems, and other cancers. Target IORT is just as effective as conventional whole breast radiotherapy and comes with many advantages for the patient.
I'm Marcel Bernstein. 8 years ago, I was diagnosed with early stage breast cancer. I had it for 2 months only before I was cured. I had target IORT at the same time as the operation to remove the cancer. I spent 1 night in hospital and I was back at work within days. No pain at any time, no complications, no scarring. I can't even tell where on my breast the surgery was. And no recurrence. 8 years. And that isn't just me being lucky. Studies show that my experience is similar to that of other women who've had target. I am so happy I was able to have this treatment.
I hope that this treatment is available to every woman to whom it is suitable. Every institute who treats breast cancer should have this technology available to them. And that is my hope. Acknowledgements are due to every patient who participated in the trial and all the staff and investigators who gave all their efforts to make this trial possible.